Topic is comparison of like fractions. Comparison of like fractions is very easy. In like fractions, the fractions having the greater numerator has a greater value. Suppose these are the two fractions given, 3 by 5 and 6 by 5. Here these are the like fractions because the denominator is same. Now we will check the numerator only. Here it is 3, it is 6. So 6 is more than 3. So 6 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5. So this sign will open in at this side because this is greater. 6 is greater than 3. We can take one more example. 5 by 2 and 3 by 2. These are also the like fractions because denominator is same. So again we have to check only the numerator. This is 5 and this is 3. 5 is greater than 3. So we can see the fraction 5 by 2 is greater than 3 by 2. Whichever fraction is greater, we have to open the mouth of the sign towards that side. 5 is greater, so we will open this mouth this side. Now the next topic is comparison of unlike fractions. As you know that unlike fractions don't have the same denominator. For example, it is 2 by 3 and another one is 1 by 4. So these are the unlike fractions. It is 3 and it is 4. So what we have to do here, first we convert this unlike fraction into like fractions. Here is 3 and here is 4. So first of all, we will find out the LCM of 3 and 4. First we will write the multiples of 3 and then we will write the multiples of 4. It is the table only. 3 multiplied by any number will become the multiple. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Sorry, 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. So we can write more, but we stop it here only. Now we will write the multiples of 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Now we stop it here only because we already found the multiple of 3 and 4, the least common multiple of 3 and 4. As you can see, 3 is here, but it is not here. 6 is here, but it is not here. 9 is also not here, but this 12 is the multiple of 3 and the multiple of 4 also. So this is the least common multiple of 3 and 4. So we can write LCM is 12. Now what we have to do, we will make the denominator of 2 by 3 and 1 by 4 as 12. How we can make the denominator 12? Let us take the first fraction 2 by 3 and the second fraction 1 by 4. If we multiply this denominator by 4, it will become 12. So if we are multiplying the denominator by 4, so we have to multiply the numerator also by 4. Here, see the next fraction, it is 1 by 4. Again, we have to make the denominator 12. So we have to multiply it by 3. denominator as well as numerator. 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12. And the next one is 1 times 3 is 3, 4 times 3 is 12. Now these are the like fractions, 8 by 12 and 3 by 12. Now this 8 is more than 3, so we can say this is the highest fraction. Or now we can move to the original one. This was out of 2 by 3. So we can say this 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. So like this, we can compare unlike fractions. Now let us take one more example. 2 by 3 and 3 by 6. Again, these are unlike fractions because the denominator are not same. So is there any need to find the LCM here? No, because it is 3 and it is 6. If we multiply this 3 by 2, it will become 6. So here we will not find LCM, we will do it directly. Just multiply the first fraction by 2. It will become 6. If we are multiplying the denominator by any number, then we have to multiply the numerator also. Another fraction was 3 by 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. It was 3 by 6. Now we can see these are the like fractions now. This is 4 and this is 3. So this 4 is higher than 3. So now we go to the original one. This is out of 2 by 3. So we can say this 2 by 3 is greater than this one, 3 by 6. So like this, we can compare unlike fraction also. Bye everyone.